right, so people always ask, why is JavaScript the most popular programming language? And honestly, the answer is way simpler than you'd expect. JavaScript won because it was in the right place at the right time. When the internet started growing, websites were basically just plain text. Nothing moved, nothing reacted. Then browsers added JavaScript, and suddenly websites could actually do things. Pop-ups, animations, buttons that responded instantly. And since every browser supported JavaScript, every developer was kind of forced to learn it. That's how the whole craze started. But here's the real magic. JavaScript didn't stay stuck in the browser. Once Node.js came out, developers were like, hold up, I can write backend code using the same language I use on the front end, and that changed everything. Companies realized they could hire one team to handle the whole project instead of two different teams. That made development faster, cheaper, and honestly just easier. Then JavaScript spread even more. Want to build mobile apps? JavaScript. Want to build desktop apps? JavaScript. Games, 3D effects, servers, chat apps? Yes, JavaScript again. It turned into this one language for almost everything. And developers love that because learning one language really well is easier than switching between 5 different ones. Another reason JavaScript is huge is the community. It's like the biggest group project ever. Someone out there has already built the tool, library, or framework you need. React, Vue, Angular, Next.js, these all blew up because the community kept improving them and sharing them with everyone. And that leads to the final reason, job demand. Every company needs a website. Every website needs JavaScript. So people keep learning JavaScript because it practically guarantees work. And as more people learn it, more tools get built, and the whole cycle keeps growing. So in short, it runs on every browser, it's spread across almost every platform, it has a massive community, companies rely on it heavily, and it's extremely flexible. You can build almost anything. JavaScript didn't become popular because it's perfect. It became popular because it became unavoidable, and then it became useful everywhere. And that's why it's still #1 today.